Jai Gurudev. In this video, I am going to tell you all about why good people and devas must act now. Otherwise, it will be too late. In this video, I am going to tell you all about why good people and devas must act now. The solar system is going through black hole crisis. The solar system currently going through black hole crisis. Snake-like motion of solar system is in universe. We should develop activism at any cost. The solar system is surrounded by many black holes. You can search about this in internet through many scientists. Many scientists tell that solar system is surrounded by many black holes. When people are putting so many of these dynamites under earth, drilling mountains and mining, the earth reacts. We must care for nature. People are not caring enough for nature. When people are putting so many of these dynamites under earth, drilling mountains and mining, the earth reacts. We must care for nature. People are not caring enough for nature. One of the reasons for tsunami is said to be cutting off so many trees, building of so many dams where they should not have been built. All in the name of hydro project development, we are doing so many horrible things in the society. So this is nature's fury. That is one thing. Secondly, sometimes you can't avoid it. Certain creation and destruction are parts of nature. Creation and destruction are part of nature, and time plays an important role. At a particular time, nature undergoes these cycles. Scientists have said that our solar system is surrounded by many black holes. We should always remember that our solar system is surrounded by many black holes. Scientists have said this many times. Our sun is moving through these black holes, escaping all the black holes. Our sun is moving through them, escaping all the black holes. It can get sucked in any time. The black holes come so close, and then the sun moves away, and the black holes moves away. When the sun gets sucked in, the entire solar system will collapse into nothingness. Just imagine all this. Everything will become nothing in no time, and that can happen in any time. We should be scared of that also. In no time, all will be nothing. When our solar system gets into black hole, all will be nothing. At no time. We should be happy listening that everything will be sucked into a hole, nothing will remain, nothing. Then we don't have to worry about finding a job, a partner, a soulmate. We won't have to worry about all these things. In fact, everybody will be dissolved into one whole soulmate. Everything will be dissolved, finished. Before that, we should wake up people, create awareness in people, create activism. Activism is must, and we should do actively work in the society. We should always remember that in 12 minutes, all will die by nuclear bombs and other atomic bombs. We should all remember that world has that much nuclear bombs and that much technology to kill all human beings in 12 minutes. They have that much technology and that much nuclear bombs, lakhs of nuclear bombs. In 12 minutes, all human beings will be finished. They have that much number of nuclear bombs in the world. And solar system is just missing through these black holes. Like it is going in snake-like motion and just missing through black hole suction. All good people and devas must realize this and must act now before it is too late. All devas should act, and good people should act very actively in the society, in the world. Jai Gurudev.